Well, it's the holidays and we're all looking for some family fun. So we came to a place that is redefining what is fun in Jacksonville. This is Rebounderz.
Come visit the award-winning Extreme Fun Center known as Rebounderz. It's where family, fun, and fitness come together. This 40,000 square foot facility includes over 12,000 square feet of trampoline jumping space. There's open jump, in the air dodgeball, flip in the foam pit, and the basketball slam dunker. There's state-of-the-art laser tag, mini bowling under the black lights, a full arcade where you can play the games and use tickets for prizes. And one of my favorites, you can't miss out on the Ninja Warrior course. Take a break from the fun and grab a bite to eat and enjoy a beverage. There's also a lot of fun events this holiday season, like the Jingle Jump and Santa Spectacular. There's no place like it in Jacksonville. You have to get out and experience Rebounderz.
Woo! All right, so for details on all the events, gift cards, and more, you can find it all at rebounderzjacksonville.com.